So recently I had a client come in and tell me that she uses baking soda to exfoliate her face. So I wanted to explain why you should not be using baking soda on your face. So if you're interested, keep watching. So the stratum corneum is the top layer of your skin. It's made up of dead skin cells, sebum, and water, and it is slightly acidic. So it's at a pH of between 4.5 and 5.5, and it's actually called your acid mantle because it is acidic. And this is really, really important because your skin is your number one defense against foreign invaders, such as bacteria and microorganisms. So your skin actually prevents or protects you against infection. This is why it's so important for your skin barrier to be intact and healthy to prevent against infection and disease. So some great barrier repair ingredients include ceramides, lanolin, stearic acid, which is naturally found in shea, mango, and cocoa butter, as well as humectants such as glycerin and hyaluronic acid, which draws moisture into the skin, and vitamin B3, which is panthenol. But the reason why baking soda is not good for your skin is because it's at a pH of about 9, whereas your skin is at a 4.5 to 5.5. So continued use of baking soda is going to cause a disruption in your barrier function and disrupt your acid mantle, which could lead to an increase of infection and bacteria that could get into your skin. You may not think it's that big of a deal because pure water is neutral at a pH of 7 and baking soda is only at a pH of 9, so how different can they be? But actually the pH scale is a logarithmic scale, so each 1 point or 1 pH higher or lower is actually 10 times more alkaline or more acidic. So please make sure you're using professionally formulated products because more than likely they are going to be pH balanced and more beneficial for your skin in the long run. Thanks for watching. Bye.